So I've been doing ultra marathons and biking events, and I've had issues with IT bands and my quads, and did a Google search and found Kinetic Chain, and been coming here for about 2 years, and it's made a world of a difference. I come every month. Jamie does more hands-on approach. We do a lot of dry needling, a lot of soft tissue, some stretching. He sets me up with some exercises to do at home, which I kind of do almost every morning. I think if you're willing to do it, once you start to feel better, you'll really be a believer, and it'll become kind of part of your daily life, and hopefully monthly.
I trust the PTs here, but also I found even when in periods when I'm not experiencing pain, that as a Optimal Fitness member, coming in monthly, especially as I've gotten older, helps keep everything in check and keeps me from actually having recurring issues and just feeling better overall. Personally, I also really, as an Optimal member, I love that they've incorporated the massage therapy. That was another aspect within my personal journey that I was looking for to kind of fill that gap, because a lot of my issues come back to really tight muscles and joints and things like that. So integrating that was great. And then integrating the myofascial stretching with Sam, it's also been wonderful, and it allowed me another avenue. So I think that it's just really great here because they kind of have a little bit of everything to complement all of those different pieces.
They tailor all of the exercises to my lifestyle, which has been really beneficial because I do work a lot, I stand up a lot. It's really helped me keep moving. And then any other issues I've been having as they come up, and I see them during my monthly session, they address those and give me exercises, and it's been really helpful.
So I've been coming here for 5 years, and I will definitely keep coming here. I'm a bodybuilder, so I'm continuously needing to work on issues, injuries, and so forth, and I'm staying very active.
I just love the people here, which I think goes a long way. The whole team has been amazing. I've had massage here. Alex did massage. It was fantastic. I think a lot of people feel like, oh, PT is not for me. I'm not an athlete, or I don't have these specific goals, and that's not true. Like, anything that hurts, they will help you.
It can feel like a really big expense, but it really is an investment in your health and in yourself. And I think even just like in a short time period that I've seen such gigantic gains in my fitness and just overall health and well-being, that it was worth every penny of like the time that I've invested. I would tell anybody that I think this is a great option. And I have told people. My best friend comes here now too. Everyone here that I've worked with has really talked to me through everything that they're doing, explained to me like why we're taking certain approaches and what's going on. And so I think there's a lot of reassurance that comes with it, that they really understand what the problem is, and that I don't feel like anybody is going to lead you astray in any way. So I have full confidence in saying that I think that it's a really great option, even if you're nervous about it.
They fix all the issues that I bring to them through all the stuff that I put my body through, and I would highly recommend coming in for a visit.
As long as I'm in Denver, I will be coming to Kinetic Chain.